Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and if you're an impatient DIYer like I am, you have to check out this chalk paint from Chic. What I love about this paint is that there's no prep. So you don't have to prime. You can apply this to all sorts of surfaces. It takes 1 to 2 coats and it dries super fast. It's gonna leave you with a matte chalky finish. I redid the vanity in my bathroom. It's been a few months now. Because it's such a high traffic area, it does get a little bit scuffed up, but I have leftover paint and in 2 seconds, I can touch up the few areas and I'm good to go for another few months. Now, if you're also using it on a high traffic area and you want to seal it, that would save you that extra step. This is excellent for furniture, for picture frames, even decor pieces like vases, things like that. It comes in all sorts of colors too, in many different sizes. I obviously have the small one, it's only 8 ounces, and I was able to do my bathroom vanity and I still have almost a half left. So this product goes a really long way. So if you're looking for similar, I definitely think you should give this one a shot, and that's my point of view.